Hi, so today I will show you how to use Nintendo Switch mood chip. So the first moment you need to know how to open it. Just sample click one click from power button here, and wait. Right now you in the headset. We have lounge right here. We have EM EMUMC. This one for B-Ray game. Okay. This is for B-Ray game. That means you can download on the game and play direct from here, and Nintendo won't ban you. So indeed you have on the game on the tin foil. You can use the tin foil from this tin foil for downloading the game direct. Click on it. Click OK. Okay, you have the new game. You can change the view from by click cross. Sorry, click B to cancel. Change the view by click here. Okay, you want to download the game, you just click. You need to find some game you want, and you click install. X for install. Yeah. Now when you click B 2 times, click OK. The game, and this is the Retro emulator. Like click A, run. Okay, click the home button to come back. Now we turn off. We come back to the original firmware by turn it off. Power option, turn off. Wait a few seconds. Open it again. Okay, you can see right here the power off. For coming back to the original firmware, you click on the power off. I'm sorry, not power off. That means hold up. Reboot. Sorry, that's click on the reboot right here. And OFW. This is original firmware, so you cannot play online game, and you cannot play the B-Ray game in this partition. So let's change up. I will show you how to enter the game. Open it.